Signal green, I have to move quick. Move quick. Don't like move like turtles, Not enough. Move like a tiger. Okay, so I am now in the left. Hi everyone. I hope everyone doing well and good health inshallah always. Welcome back guys to my channel. That is your channel of course. Staying with Ahmed 007. Hope inshallah good to help you while you're driving, learning drive. Okay, so guys, this video, I get some requests actually from some students, but I'm going to do this video anyway. It's how to drive at traffic lights. Okay, how to drive at traffic lights, and then this video actually is intended for beginners and students who have already a driver license. Already they passed the exam and they get driving license, but when they are going drive in the traffic lights, they find it difficult to which direction, which line they will take, because some of them have difficult actually dealing with the lines when they approach the traffic light. So inshallah, I hope hopefully this video going to help you. I try my best always. Thank you. Alright, my good friends, let's start it. Going backwards now. Of course, if you're on the parking, you want to go out of the parking, you know what you do. Already I do the video before, explain to you how you go out of the parking. Alright, double signal, hazards, that's what the people say it. Check behind, left and right. If you go left, check behind, no one, no cars, no anyone, no animals, no cats, no. We'll go back slowly, and then we go out of the line. We're going to turn fully right, like that. All right. Then you stop, steering straight, change your gear drive, go ahead. Anyway, I'm not going to show you about the parking. Actually, I'm going to show you about traffic lights. All right. Anyway, it's just going to help you also how you're entering the main road. If you want to give away example like that, signal, check from the left. Okay, center mirror, left mirror, blind spot like that. Okay, there's no cars. You're going to enter the road safely. Don't be rush. Don't be rush, my friends. Don't be rush. Driving, no need to be rush. Always focus on the road. Keep your mind in the road. You have to be ready for any action. You don't know kind of the driver what they do on the road, so you have to be ready for any action from them. It's like difference of okay, now we're going to right. Check from the right mirror, left blind spot, no one. I'm trying to get some traffic lights. I'm not going to show you for the road right now actually. All right, we are near from the signal. I am the Darset. I think if you want to know Darset, I'm going to change my line to the right. Check from right, no one. Okay, keep right. All right, so there is a signal light in front of me. Actually, you can see the signboard. There's a signal in front of you. You can see the signboard also, right? So if I'm going straight, I have to take right line, and I have to check the signal. It's already green. Okay, it's like if blinking, you pass the line, no problem. Okay, but it's blinking with the yellow line. No, you have to stop. All right. If you already passed the line, it's the signal is blinking. That time you can and you pass the line. It's okay. But if you see the signal is blinking yellow and you are still away from the line, no, don't go. Stop. All right. So, example, I want to go Matrah. Okay, I want to go to Matrah. What I will do? I'll take left line. Already I'm left. I'll take left line. So what I will do? I will stay in the left. I'm going left. Signal. Okay, I stay in the left. So this signal show me have two lines. You can go left, both. Can that line in the right go straight left? You can see the mark of the signal also lie there. This one only left. Okay, only left. All right. Then I didn't see the signboard. Maybe it's allowed also your turn. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going left right now. So I have to keep my car. I have to stay in the left line. I have to keep distance, safety distance between me and the car in front of me. Okay. I'll keep left again. Left line. Don't take other line. No, left line, and then I go straight. Yes. I think it's not allowed for your turn, but you go straight. This is left. You have to take this to the left line to straight, and stay in the line. Example: if you want left, change your line to the right. Don't stay in the left. Check from right. No one. Okay. You know what? This mic. It's too much problem. This mic. All right. So already I went to Matrah Souk. I make shopping, and I want to go out of Souk. Actually, I'm not making shopping, but you don't believe me. Okay. Now I'm going out. I have to go back, reverse, and check behind. No one. Okay. And I'll be in the road of the signal. Go ahead with the drive. Yep. So already I went to the Matrah Souk. Now already everything is done. I go back. I want to go to Ruwi. Example to Ruwi. Okay. Ruwi, Wadi Kabir, Anteb, anywhere. That's it. Which lane? I didn't want to go to Dalsait again. No, I want to go to Ruwi. So I have to take right line. I have to stay in the right line like this. Signal, I have to check the signal. Light is red, green, what? It's red. So I have to stop. Like that. Yeah, you can take that line also on the left, the middle one. Left one, no problem. But this is safety. On the right is allowed safety. Because maybe you want to go to the Ruwi other side. So you have more options. In the middle you have more options. Left you don't have more options. Only you have more options like you want to go U-turn again to Matrah or that side from the left. But on the right you can go right many places, you know. So always take right if you want to go, example, another place to go right. But if you have planned already to go where to the left, take left, no problem also. This one, that one, both of line take you left. It's not allowed to go right. Alright. You can see the signboard there, Wadi Kabir, Ruwi. The signboard where? Direction to the that side left. So the green Ahmed 00, Anteb 0, staying with Ahmed is moving. So okay, I keep the signal already, I forget. So you have to be this line. Yeah, that guy, that line. But that one, last one, you have to stay and give away, and then you have to change the line. Okay, so like I tell you, you take on the right, you have more option if you want to go to Ruwi inside, you know, or Al Washel or anywhere. Okay, anyway, this line also take you to steering straight. I mean, light straight, signal straight, traffic straight. Huh? But if you want, you can go that side. Okay, I have to keep distance between me and the car in front of me, and then I have to move when the signal is green. Make sure if the signal is green, you have to move. Even you are driving from far away, you slow down, check the signal. Don't go like that. All right. Now I'm going to change my lane to the left. Signal, check from left, check blind spot. 100% you have to check from here and then change your line. Don't rush. I stay again here in this line because I want to show you how to enter the signal. Okay, example. There's a traffic lights in front of me. Example, I forget something in Matrah. I want to go back. How I go back? Okay, if you want to go U-turn Okay, before signal you can do the U-turn without waiting at the signal. Signal, take a left line, last keep left side. You see that signboard? U-turn is allowed. Take a matrah, see whatever. So I'm not going signal, traffic signal. Okay, I am going back. U-turn before the signal. So this road take me out again, back from where I'm coming. Check from there, no one. Yes. All right. Again, I want to go back. Oh shit! Oh man, I forget something there in Wadi Kibir. I want to go there. What I do? I stay in same line. Okay, I will do before signal U-turn. It's same thing. Signal. Check from left. No one. I keep left, left, left. Twice. Check from here. Okay, I am in the left, and again I have to keep left, fully left, because I'm not going to the signal straight or left or whatever. No, before signal, I'm not that far away from my road. Okay, U-turn. I'll go back slowly. I control my steering, control my speed. I am in the giveaway. Signal right. I will check the road from the right. No one, no anything. Safe, safe to go. Yeah, go ahead. Press the accelerator. Don't go slow like turtle. Not enough. All right. So I come back again from the road. Would I do the first time U-turn? Okay. Always keep distance. If you see anyone like this driving, double signal, slow down. Okay. Be ready for an action. Safety. Why I do hazard? I remind the driver behind me. I protect self from front. How about backside? I have to protect my car from the back. Anyway, now I'm going signal straight. Signal straight. So I have to keep this line. Both line going straight. Okay, both line going straight. But I'll take this one. Why? Because I'm going to change my lane after the bridge. So signal straight or traffic light straight, no need signal. Just stop. If you are first one, you have to stop before the line. Okay, you wait for the signal. Now it's of course the signal's red. It's allowed for me. I am in the left now. Allowed for me to go left. Allowed for me to go straight. But that one in the right car, it's not allowed for him. Only straight. But by mistake, drivers, they can do that. You have to you have to be ready for an action. Nobody perfect in the road, Nobody. Always, we are human beings. We do mistakes, Even when I am a instructor, I do mistakes. It's not about I have driving license. I will never do mistakes. No. Even you are a professional driver for a long time, you will do mistakes. Signal green, I have to move quick. Move quick. Don't move like turtles, Not enough. Move like a tiger. Okay, so I am now in the left. Example, I'm going to change my lane after the bridge to the left. Okay, that's easy. I will do signal. I will check from the left mirror, blind spot. Check twice from here, No one go. Don't go like that. I have to be careful for any cars coming in front of me. I have to be ready. Slow down. Give him chance. Double signal like that. You have to be. This is a road, You have to do. You have to do many things. Okay. My mouth is dry. Okay, now I'm going to change my line to the right. Signal. I check from the right. No one. No anyone. Safety. I change my line. Yeah. No be rush. Easy. Driving to be relaxed. Okay, there is a signal also in front of me. That is Wadi Kabir signal. Okay. Traffic lights of Wadi Kabir. If you want, you want to go to Signal Street, you can take right. If you want to take signal left, you have to take left or the last left. I'm going to take left. I change my mind and then I go signal left. Okay, and again this is still going straight, but many drivers do mistakes in what they create traffic signal. They are going, if the line going straight, but they're still going left. I don't know why. But this line, only two have to go left. But that two lines going straight. But these people, I don't know, I cannot understand. They have to go by force, you know. So I change my lane to the right. I check no one there. Easy. I change my lane to the right. Yeah. There's a signal in front of me. Example, I'm going right. So I don't want to wait for the signal, traffic light. Okay. I'm in the giveaway because I have to go right. So I keep distance first. Safety distance important, guys. Okay. Don't forget. Don't stuck with bumper to bumper. Not good. Safety distance. Okay. When he go, this is giveaway. You have to give away for who? For the people coming from left. No one. I can go signal. Then you have to move. And always keep safety distance. You see any dangers in front of you, hazard. Remind the driver behind you. Sometimes they are busy. They are sleeping. Sometimes you don't know what they are doing in the car. You know, you have to be careful. Anyone on the road, you have to give chance. Let the people pass the road. Safety, okay, and then you can go. You have to be gentleman in the road, okay? Respect everyone in the road. The road not for you, for everyone. People walking, you know, driving. Many things happen on the road. For animals, for anyone, not only for human beings. All right. So I think I'm going to do again video about traffic lights. Yeah, but I need to find some student can drive with me. I think today I can do it. This is right now. I do it myself for you. So inshallah, we'll do it again. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to find some student. One student is a good driver. Then we'll drive in the traffic light also. Okay. I'm in the giveaway right now. I want to change my lane to the left. Check from left. No one from blind spot. Safety. There you go. Now I will do signal U-turn. Signal U-turn. If the police tell you or the examiner tell you signal U-turn, keep left. Signal and again left and again left. 2 times. You have to be this road. Don't go for the signal. This is before signal. Just control your speed nicely. You have to stay in the giveaway like that. Then signal to the opposite right. Okay, check from there, no one. Safety, I will go. If you go other lines, check again before you go. No one. Safety, okay. And again, you have to keep looking that side. Alright guys, thank you for the watching. Inshallah, see you another video. I'm going to drink tea. Also, yeah, you have to stop, fully stop, check the road. Okay, no one, signal, go. Alright guys, thank you for watching again. See you inshallah another video. I'm going to park my car. My mouth is dry. I'm going to drink something. Alright guys, thank you. Thank you. Drive safely always. Thank you.